Hey guys, welcome back to Amber Shimmer. I'm Amber Shimmer. So glad to have you here. Today we are actually going to be doing something a couple people have requested. We are going to be using the Moira Sweet Delights palette. This is their rainbow pastel palette and it is so pretty, so delightful. For some reason it doesn't seem like this brand is on a lot of people's radars, which is kind of weird to me because I think these palettes are amazing. I have all four from the Sweets collection. You've probably already seen by the time I'm uploading this. For my Orange Crush look, I used the Make It Sweet palette from them. And then I also have the other two from the collection, which is All That Is You. It's a nice purple and neutral palette. And Always On My Mind, which is this brown and gold palette. Again, we're doing Sweet Delights today, so let me know if you want to see the others, but for now we are going to be sticking with this one. This is mostly matte pastels. We have a couple shimmers. The shimmer is this nice sheer pink topper, or it would also work as a nice like inner corner highlight. And then we have this green. Ooh, that's very pretty. Wow, check that out. We like that. Let's do it. I have primed my eyes with the Rare Beauty primer. I heard somebody on YouTube actually mention that they have greasy eyelids and that eyeshadow often breaks up on theirs and creases a lot, and that this was the only thing that helped. I also am having really great luck with the Rare Beauty primer, so I agree. And I really want something kind of cool and dreamy. I'm wearing this rainbow shirt and I'm really like how this shade in my shirt matches this shade, Thrills, in the palette. So we're definitely gonna use that. We'll probably use It's Magical as well, the yellow. And I also want to work in some blue. Let's start with this pale blue down here, Could Be. I'm gonna grab my handy dandy mirror. I'm gonna start kind of up high. I'm gonna be using this brush from, this is from Glamlight. It's a candy cane, but I'm not gonna put away brushes just because it's not the holidays. I actually bought these after the holidays because they were cheaper. No regrets. I kind of want like a pale blue base above my crease to blend the rest of it into. Do the same over here. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just blend this. Soften it. Pale blue wash going. Now I'm going to take that same brush and we're going to go into Could Be, or we just use Could Be. We're going to go into Overload. This is a bit of a darker, more substantial blue. I'm going to do that slightly lower, right above the crease. Half moon shape. Go back into Could Be and let's blend that out at the edges a little bit. Just a touch. Not bad. All right. Now I want to go into Thrills. And I'm gonna grab, ooh, a fair bit of it. I really want to kind of pack this on in the corner. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, that's so pigmented. Wow, check that out. Now I'm gonna take a bit more of Overload and I'm gonna blend that at the corner and use it to deepen up the corner a little bit. I'm gonna take a moment, this lime green. I wanna just pack that here in the center, between the blue and the yellow, which we'll get to in a minute. Gosh, it's so pretty already. And now we're gonna go into It's Magical. I really like how creamy these shades are, and yet very impactful. Every time I use these palettes, I just end up wondering how come I seem to be like one of the only people that knows about them. This is fantastic quality in my opinion. I mean, I'm not a professional. As I've said before, I just like to throw things at my face. Now I want to blend a little bit around the edges some more. Really diffuse that going out. I feel like it goes up higher on this side, so let's fix that. Okay, now I want to try these shimmers out. So I want to take Nothing Compare. I want to layer that over the lime green in the center. Oh, nice. And then I'm gonna take Sweets, and we're gonna do that over the yellow. Let's see how that turns out. Hopefully this doesn't ruin everything. No, not at all. I'm gonna go in a little more precisely with Sweets for my inner corner. Well, that's pretty. I'm gonna add some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. This is the eye look with eyeliner added. I put some white from NYX in my waterline. Then I used the Glossier liquid eyeliner, and then a touch of a black gel pencil from Moira. So the yellow definitely kind of got lost in this look, especially once I put the shimmers on, but I'm not even mad at it. I'm gonna stick a lip on right now. This is Cézanne by Musée Beauty. All right, so this is our finished look. Kind of Seahawks colors. I'm not a sports fan, but I live in the Pacific Northwest, so it came to mind. So that is the look. As far as the quality of the palette, a lot like the Make It Sweet, I thought Sweet Delights was very high quality for the price. I believe these are going for $17 on their website, which is on par with the price for like BH Cosmetics. And don't get me wrong, I love BH. I am a BH fan. But if I was presented with this or the Lost in Los Angeles palette, come on, come on. This is the winner. I own both, I love both, but wow. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked seeing the Moira palette in action. Let me know if you would like to see some of the other palettes in action. Again, we have the purple as well as the brown and gold one. And I would love to do looks with these if you'd like to see it. I would say of these palettes, all four in the Sweet series, the quality is just through the roof for the price, for sure. I'd say, honestly, you should probably pick it up if you are inspired by one of the color stories. I don't think you'll be disappointed with the quality. Thanks so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. In any case, Please subscribe if you would like to see more stuff like this in the future. Got lots of things planned and I can't wait to share them with you. All right, guys. Bye.